Hi, teacher. My name is Sandra Lopez. I am going to tell about the ceremonies and traditions during the passage to adulthood. First, mm, in Colombia, confirmations is a ritual of commitment to their faith in the Catholic Church, interpreting and transitions from childhood and to adulthood. The confirmation is anointed with oil by a bishop who takes the names of saints. Second, in South Africa, young people who begin their journey to adulthood and cover their bodies with rites of transitions of the Noxa ethnic that includes circumcisions with a knife and without anesthesia and without medications. This is considered a very dangerous rite. Three. Also in Colombia, there is celebrations of 15 years old in the teenagers and as a traditions of passage to adulthood. And Perry is an hell and wish friends and family and aids and dance. Within the United States, young women, the celebrity 16 years old, and with grandparents and with tower to the untie the driver's license. Four. In Japan, young people who turn 20 celebrates majority on the second Monday, January 1st year. Women wear long left kimonos and wears main formal clothing. Thank you. Bye.